All right, assembly time. Just need a little flathead screwdriver. Open the side up a little bit. You can get it on there. Always do your sides first. Because you want your back to rest on the sides. Open up your back side. Sit on the top of the sides. You take your trusty buttony punchies. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, one in the middle. 1, 2. Sorry. Okay. Show you guys real quickly here. Back that out. So there you have it. All that button punch does, it puts a little dimple in there to hold it on so it can't come off. Some people put an S on the front. You could just kind of stiffen it up, but with 24 gauge it's okay. But yeah, there you have it. 20 on top, 23 on the bottom. That'll catch my whole supply on the bottom, and my Bosch air handler will fit perfect up there. So anyway, if you guys need any more sheet metal tips, let me know. If there's anything else you want to see, I can do some crazy offsets for you, whatever, but I don't want to waste all this metal unless I'm doing it for a job. This is for an actual job. So hope you guys enjoyed it.